Black Widow exhaust, huh?
Yeah. It sounded great until it didn't.
Could be the carpet getting hot from the exhaust. I don't know, I'm just thinking out loud. Using the wrong tool the right way? Is that what we're doing?
I'd say so.
That come apart easy. No. Is it okay? All right, so what's going on is Parker's broke down. He had a temporary fix for that wiring stuff that you saw go bad in the last video, and it didn't work out. And he was trying to drive it to his buddy's house. They were gonna look at the electrical. They were gonna look at that issue and possibly his electric steering, which I think he's got a bad unit or something. But they were gonna look at all that stuff. It seems like our tape job was insufficient and it like melted while driving. Probably the fans pulled too much amperage or something. And got the tape hot. The tape got soft and gave up. All right, we raided the stash and we are headed to Parker's. I got all kinds of junk and I'm sure that I forgot something that would be useful, but I don't think it was electrical. Just saying. That would be my MO, to forget something that's useful. Black Widow exhaust, huh?
Yeah. It sounded great until it didn't.
So the tape started to melt.
Yeah.
I brought a bunch of stuff, so I peeled it all off. Ooh. Yeah, that looks like it got hot.
I separated everything.
Okay. Oh yeah, I brought vice grips too that should make that fairly easy to get apart. So we're gonna use this bus bar and these inline fuse holders to connect this battery terminal to the rest of the stuff that needs to be connected to it. Using the wrong tool the right way? Is that what we're doing?
I'd say so.
That come apart easy? No, of course not.
A bunch of tape's melted on it too.
Yeah, that's why it doesn't want to come apart. It's going though. It's just slightly less than ideal. All right, here's the fix. It's together. We got these inline fuses in. The fuel pump turns on, and we're gonna drive it this way. Hey, that's quiet now! With the exhaust on it, it's not that bad! I have no idea what that pop was. Is it down on power? Is it okay? Oh, and turn signals don't work yet.
Yeah,
That's something else we have to do. Okay, your right brake light quit working.
It's not working?
Yeah.
The right one?
The right one. So that's weird. We can give it the same treatment we gave the other with stretching the spring out.
Okay.
I don't know what that pop is.
Your bumper's on the trash cans over there.
Yeah, it's done that before. Where it like cuts out like completely. I don't know.
That's either an RFI issue like John had, or it's got a bad connection somewhere. Probably whatever feeds the Holly, but it's probably, well, I don't know. All we can do is data log and wait for it to happen.
Okay.
Yeah, it's done that before?
Yeah.
I've never noticed.
It's done it when you like try to give it gas, it just cuts out and it like comes back.
Probably an RFI issue.
Okay.
So probably we need to shield some stuff or something.
Okay.
A little bit.
Good to know.
Not be super worried about it at this point.
Yeah.
It's not nearly as bad as John's issue.
Good to know.
Yeah.
I thought it was like fuel or something, but it's more. It seemed like more like ignition or something.
Yeah. So we made it. All right, we are back at Parker's. He did a little bit today. Cleaned up yesterday's wiring snafu a little bit. Well, oh, he didn't really do anything to it actually. You didn't do much to it, did you? You didn't touch it?
I'm sorry you called me and I quit.
He's gorgeous, as usual.
Tired and gorgeous.
Slightly sacrilegious, but still gorgeous. All right, so we're gonna clean that wiring up.
Yeah.
We're gonna clean that wiring up and adjust this clutch and hopefully take this thing on a little test drive. Right?
Yeah.
We just made a small adjustment on the clutch off camera. I'm not gonna show that again because I've shown it on camera like 15 times now. We're gonna pull it up. We're gonna heat shrink that stuff that he didn't heat shrink yet. And then take this thing for a test drive. We're gonna take some tools with us this time though, so hopefully we end up less stranded.
I feel like it aged a lot sooner now.
Sooner?
Yeah.
Like off the floor sooner?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should now.
Yeah. Also, foot clutch in.
But were you able to put it in gear without the car moving at all?
I don't know. I had my foot on the brake. Yeah. I just did all this right here, dude.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so annoying.
All the...
I have to figure out what I'm doing.
Yes. Okay.
Like, same with this. I don't know how the I'm gonna keep this thing from dropping. And then, yeah, there's just so much little things.
Yeah, there's little things. Here we go.
Alright, what is it, number 3?
Vegas, baby.
Yeah! Everything on black! Well, that engaged a lot sooner.
A lot sooner. Is it too soon?
Might be a little too soon. You shall see.
It's not killing the engine, so
Yeah.
that's something.
Where do we want to
Love that. You're smelling a differential oil on the exhaust.
That's what it is.
It's okay. We should check the levels soon, but I don't think it can be that bad.
Dude, this thing is driving a lot better.
And thank God it has brakes that
I wanted to
aren't-
test those out. Like, I was like, I haven't really gotten on them.
the brakes.
Yeah, so that's what I did there.
Well, they felt good when it started to roll in the driveway last time, and I reached them for it.
Yeah.
Like, I know it was with my hand, and that's like not the same, but they felt like they were right there. So,
I need to make that, like, ASAP.
yeah,
Alright, I wanted to check everything real quick.
yeah. Let's just look at stuff.
Think it's gonna roll?
Yeah. I didn't throw the wheel chuck. Oh, you threw them in here.
Yeah, you might just need.
Yeah, I'll chalk it. You're good. I do hear. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know, it's weird. It's such a strong smell.
It is.
And I'm not familiar with it, so I don't feel like it's something
I almost wonder if it could be the carpet getting hot from the exhaust. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud.
we'll have to pull it up stuff and see. That's very possible. Like in the back or something?
Yeah, back here or something. I honestly don't know. I don't have an explanation.
Yeah.
To me, it still smells like it could be oil. Because now the smell's like gone, that it's stopped.
Yeah.
Like it's mostly when moving, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's that diff oil. Because it was all over the place under there.
Smelly too.
But I don't know. I don't know what that would smell like, you know?
I guess we'll make it back when we came, and I'm gonna pull in that spot.
I think this is successful. Yeah.
Let's get a hose first.
All right, I got the chalk. And
Cool, by the way.
yeah, the temp actually came
And you know
down.
what's crazy too is we're only on distilled water. We're not even with coolant.
Yeah. The temp actually came down. It was running right around 202, 203, while they would climb like 203, maybe.
This is pretty cherry.
Yeah, this is super sick. I mean, look, you're cruising at 55 at 1600 RPM, 1400 or 1500.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, this is it.
We gotta get a picture of it. This course been doing a lot of off-roading lately.
I know.
Did not expect to see him doing that.
Me neither. He must have heard us at the light, at the stop sign. Because I'm sure you can hear us at the stop sign. Did you ever find the rest of your boat stuff? I found one piece and I put it on the trunk of the...
No more of that.
Say what?
No more.
No more of that.
Only got 200.
It might have been trying to idle. It might have been confused as to why it couldn't find idle. If that makes sense.
Yeah, because it does that sometimes. I just assumed it was like.
Because you were like creeping.
Yeah.